welcome back with another video of Microsoft Excel. In this video we will see how to delete the blanks in Excel using a trick. So I have opened the Excel sheet with some data. You can see that there are a lot of blanks in the form of rows in Excel. So if I want to delete these rows, I have to delete them manually by clicking deleting. So if you have a large data, you cannot do this in a short interval of time. So here is a trick. If I want to remove these rows, I have to select first of all whole data where these rows are present. After selecting this data, press Ctrl G. After pressing Ctrl G, you will select special, then after blanks, then you will click OK. Now you will press Ctrl minus and you will select entire row, and you will click this one and then you will press OK. So when you will click this OK option, you can see that all the rows which were present in this data are now deleted in a short trick. So in this way you can delete a lot of rows which you want to delete in an Excel data by using this trick. So I want to write here Ctrl plus G and Ctrl plus minus. So these are the two short keys which I have used. Thank you for watching.